Got a minute? Follow me. My job today is to check and test different hydraulic components. Me and my team make sure that all the plane's hydraulic components perform 100% in flight, in all possible conditions and at all times. From flight controls to hydraulic engine pumps, the vast range of parts in service at any given time makes every day a challenge and keeps me and the team motivated. Components are valuable assets for an airline, so we take care of them with the utmost precision and the shortest TAT. I always strive for perfection, and you can trust that I will always give my very best for that.